Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to add a workflow to an existing portfolio. SigniFlow's Portfolios feature is one of our differentiators, which businesses use extensively. It is essentially a customer portal where any document can be uploaded, shared and sent for e-signing. You can also add a file, workflow, form and placeholders to your portfolio. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add a workflow to your portfolio. Please note, you can also link a workflow to a portfolio while you are setting the workflow up. You would do this during the workflow information phase, which is the phase, or screen straight after you upload your document. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your portfolios by clicking on the Portfolios tab in the left navigational panel. You can also open your portfolios from your dashboard by tapping on the Portfolios basket. Step 2. Open the portfolio. A table containing all your portfolios will display. Open the portfolio you want to add a workflow to by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Step 3. Tap on the Actions button within the top navigational panel. The Portfolio's Actions menu will open with 8 options, including Add Flow to Portfolio. Step 4. Click on the Add Flow to Portfolio button. A pop-up box with a list of your workflows will come up. Select the workflow you'd like to add to your portfolio by tapping on the Link button in the corresponding row within the table. Your newly added workflow will display within your portfolio. And that is how to add a workflow to an existing portfolio. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.